Everybody, and welcome to Tom's Music Shop. Today we're going to look at a treat. It's an older, I think 1950s, 1960s model Hohner Erica in gray color and with H reeds. So let's take a look. Alright, for those of you who don't know, the H reeds were put in the accordions before the T reeds. So most accordions these days come with the T reeds. You can see that the H is stamped into the end of the reed. Many people think that the H reeds sound a little better than the T reeds do. What do you guys think? Write me in the comment section down below. Anyway, this model is one of the older ones. And I had to do a number of things to this one. The wooden keyboard was broken, so I replaced it with a new one from Hohner. This is a plastic keyboard. As you can see here, it's got the new thumb loop, obviously. I put on new leather straps here on the sides as well. I had to do some tuning, some valve replacements, a little bit of waxing. And I also did a little bit of patching here on the bellows. Additionally, I put new grill cloth on the treble cover. So this accordion needed really a full kind of refurbishing. But it's a very pretty accordion. And now let's see how it sounds. Okay, I'm just going to go through the treble side and the bass side. Now the accidentals. So thanks very much for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe to the channel. It's down below and totally free, and give the video a like if you like this kind of accordion. And feel free to write something down in the comment section. Goodbye.